Hi, welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovation. Today I'm working with this 02 F-350 Super Crew. It's got an issue with going dead, windows not working, interior lights not working, had a leak in the windshield, and from what I've read, it may be an issue with the gem module or the fuse panel. So today I'm going to take a fuse panel out and put one in. So here's the fuse panel and gem module out of a Super Duty from the scrapyard. First thing we're going to do, take this panel off. That right there is here. Is the fuse panel and gem module is back here. Easy enough. Looks like those may be either 7 or 8 millimeter. That one's going to be the same size. One more 7 millimeter over here on the passenger side of the steering wheel. And then one here at the bottom of the dash. So now the panel will pull free. Oh, we got a couple hiding right there. Let's get those. All right. Those last 2 bolts, go ahead and take them out before the rest of them are loose, because this thing will fall right on your head. All right, so get that panel out of the way, set it aside. So these 2 nuts that were here are 10 millimeter, and you'll need a deep well socket or 10 millimeter box end. My 10 millimeter socket has disappeared. It's hanging out with all the other ones I lost. So now we'll just pull these 2 out here. All right, now that those 2 top bolts are out, right up under here is a tab you got to push in to free up the fuse panel. All right, so now it is free. Now that those 2 are out, I'm gonna go ahead and take these relays out. That'll give more room to wiggle this thing out. All right, those are out. Now, take a picture of it so you can compare it to the new fuse panel and gem module. Looks like my tab. Click back in. A little wiggling. Took a little wiggling to get that fuse panel back to the side. There's 3 plugs that go into the gem module that need to come loose. So I was able to slide this down more, and you can see the plugs right there. They're a little easier to get to. So here is the gem module. I'm going to grab the one from the junkyard, compare them. So this one was 4x4, this one was 4x2, so that may not work. So something interesting I found. It's right here, 7/29/2005. This one is built 3 of 02. So someone's been in here before. I know this was a drug task force vehicle at a point in its life. So let's pop the tabs and look inside. Now, I'm not a circuit board guy, but I do know that I don't see anything that looks hot or burned. So I'm comparing the two because I'm going to switch fuse panels. I can't switch gem modules because the replacement's a 4x2 and I didn't check that before I bought it. So it looks like this one is missing. I think that's the one that keeps blowing when you plug it in to turn on the inside lights. But everything else is the same, even to the relay locations. So I'm going to swap the gem module off of this one and put this gem module on that one. So from what I've read online, you've got to match the gems up. See, that one says 4x2. Even though it was a lifted truck, I think the dash was apart, so I did not see that it was not four-wheel drive. And so the letters need to match and the descriptions need to match. This gem will not work. But another thing that I have found in reading is that if the windshield leaks, and a lot of them do, and I know that when it rained, this cup holder would be full of water. And I have also seen water in the display here. Now, that's nowhere near the fuse box, but from what I've read is that it can run down the windshield and get into the fuse panel and can cause corrosion in between the plates in the fuse panel. So I'm banking on that right now, and if that doesn't fix it, the gem module will be the route I need to go. And yeah, I'm gonna have to pull the thing out again, but I'm working with what I got right now, and I don't mind taking it apart because it's really only been about 15 minutes. All right, original gem module is on the junkyard fuse panel. So let's go put it back in. Yeah, that gave a good bit of clearance. Now I can plug all these back in. And they're all different sizes, so you can't mess it up. Okay, so the panel is bolted back down, covers on. Now it's just time to put the panels back on.